want you to take a look at these potatoes. I just went down to Walmart and grabbed these. They were on special here, $1.62. So I opened up a package. This is what you got. This is what you got. I believe that's a purple guy, a red one, a couple of whites, maybe another red. But you get five potatoes. 5 potatoes. That's not going to cut it. So I got my knife out. You see how you got this potato here, and it's got an eye coming out here. It's got an eye coming out here. It's got one coming out here. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this into different sizes and pieces so that I can get more seed potatoes. So I'm just going to cut this right here. So this potato, as you can see, it's got a big old eye coming out of it. All right. This one I have left, and it's got 2. And I'm a little greedy, so I'm gonna splice it. You got 2 more. We're gonna continue on. This one I can only get 2 out of it. This one I can get 2 out of the purple. Ooh, look how deep purple that is. That's nice. Okay, that's got one eye here. It's got another eye here, so I might chit that one again, cut it down. Now I've got one eye. It's very small, but it's there. And one eye here. All right. And I got my egg crate here. It's just something to keep them off of the ground. Set them on this piece of cardboard here. Let them dry out a little bit and skin over. You want the cut part to have a little dried skin on it so that when you put it in the ground it doesn't attract bugs or something right off the bat and allow any kind of disease to just get in there real quickly. 24 out of 10. That's not bad. We will just let these sit and harden off a little bit for a few days before we plant them. In the meanwhile, we'll go out and get our plot ready to put our potatoes in. All right. All right, I have my tools with me. I have my leaf rake. I have my little, I don't know what you call it, a weed cutter. That's what I call it. My bucket out here, and I have my gloves on. So I'm just gonna go through real quick, weed out all the big stuff that's growing out of the top. I'm not worried about rototilling this thing all the way under. There you go. Now take a look at this. This is just a 1/2-inch pipe, whole bunch of T's that I've joined here together. They're not glued, they're loose. And they're set about every 6 inches. What I do is I put one side on one of my sides of the form and I just rake it down. And we'll go back. There, that gives me my lines. And then I come this way. Now take a look at this. This is an auger, planting auger, and you have your basic cordless drill. This drill has 2 speeds. If you have a corded model, most likely you're not going to have 2 separate speeds, but you want to be on speed number 1, which is low gear, has more torque. And then the auger just goes in this drill. And that's going to be my depth for planting. I went through some old potatoes from last year, found a few. We're just going to find our hole. Take one of these potatoes that been sitting around with eyes in it, drop it in. Even that big one. And then just fill it back in. Easy as that. And you're done planting. There you go. I'll get to those other ones in a few days after they skin over a little bit. But until then, I'll just plant the ones that have already sprouted that were sitting around from last year. Ah! There we go. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6 is 24. Okay, so from the greenhouse, we'll wait for these potatoes to scale over, put a skin on them so we can plant them. All right, have a good day.